Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So we went down to the Taylor Town Model Car Show today down in Taylor, Michigan. If you guys don't know where that's at, it's south of the Big D down by Detroit, and it's just, let's see, I think it's just east of the airport, so the Metro Detroit Airport. It was a good show. I mean, it was a good show. They had a good turnout. I mean, in the beginning, the morning, man, it was actually pretty busy. I was pretty impressed. Wasn't a big show, but you know what? This was their second show they put on, and Mike, he was the one that put the show on, and Mike, you did a fantastic job. Keep it up, my man. I mean, you did. That was a great show. We'll make her bigger next year. So you know, this is your second time run on it. I thought you did a pretty good job at it. So there's quite a few models on the table. It wasn't too bad for the side of the show. It was a pretty good turnout, I think. A lot of vendors were there, so it wasn't too bad. So I think I brought 13 cars. I think, I don't know. I brought my usual totes of them, and the one class I ended up taking first place in race car. So yeah, so I appreciate everybody that voted on that and got me a first place in that. So thank you very much for that, guys. That was for the blue Plymouth, the blue and black Plymouth, my USACC build. That's the first time that car is placed on anything, which that's okay. This voting on this today was basically people's choice. So people coming in, they can just pick up a ticket, vote on a number of the car, and throw it in a bucket. Obviously, the most numbers win. That takes the prize. So. Very cool. So I thank everybody that picked that car for the win. I appreciate it. So other than that, I got a few stash ads we picked up while we are down at the show. But first, I got some stash ads, kind of pre-show stash ads. Hint, hint, Tony Lancer. So you guys may have seen this on a video just a little bit ago when we did a room tour. I had these 3 kits sitting on the bench, and these kits were supposed to go on the show, but I told them, hey man, leave those out. No one gets those from you. So, first one, it's not the Dodge Charger. Is it a Charger? Yes. Charger Daytona. It is actually the 99 Lightning. That is what's in the box. It's a pretty much new kit. It's all in the bag. So, yeah. I built one a long time ago, and I'd like to build that and compare it to my last one I built back in the day. Yeah, so that'd be kind of cool. Next kit picked up. Another pre-show buy, I should say. 94 Mustang. Yes. Skeptic, I can hear you out there. Like, really? No, this is a nice model kit. Not my favorite Mustang, no. But I'm actually trying to build like every year they made. I'd like to do each year made. So this is one of them. Yeah, this wasn't my favorite body style. I mean, by any means, but it was the new body style after the Fox. I mean, it was the next platform basically, and so yeah, it also was car of the year, don't forget. Last one I got for my pre-show buy, and this was a cool kit, the 70 Torino GT 2-in-1, the Pro Monitor. Yeah, check that bad boy out. This is a cool kit. I've been wanting this kit for a bit. They give you a couple versions to build up. It's even got some stainless etched pieces in there, so I thought that's pretty cool. So it's got some emblem detail and some grill detail and all that good stuff. So very cool kit. So this looks like this should be a pretty cool builder. I thought something fell in my coffee. I thought, no. I don't see it floating to the top, so unless it's having you went to the bottom. I'll find out. Sometimes the teeth is like a filter. It'll catch it on the way through. Okay, so the things we picked up at the show, I didn't go crazy. I keep saying I'm not picking up kits, but yeah, they just keep following me home. It's one of those deals. We did a little GM shopping this time, a little bit, just a little bit. So don't worry, it's just a little bit. The first one was another Tony buy at the show. Actually, this was kind of maybe a mid-buy show, not a pre, but maybe a mid. I have not seen this kit in forever. Check this out. Car of the Year Pontiac Grand Prix SE. Check that kit out. Isn't that cool? I thought that's a pretty cool kit. I don't remember seeing this kit in forever. Got your different multiple ways of building it. Nice little Revell kit. Yeah, so this should be a pretty cool little builder. This is 1988. So I remember when that car come out. Yeah, so I think that'd be pretty cool. This one I did get from Tony at the show. And I've been wanting this kit for a while. I keep seeing all the time because, you know, I do like Trans Ams. I am a Trans Am fan. I'm a Mustang guy, but I do like the Trans Ams, don't get me wrong. They're a cool car. So this is the last anniversary one they made. So this is a cool car here. And I thought he had this on at the show, and I said, dude, I says, if you don't sell that, I will get that from you before he leaves. So he just takes off the pile and says, might as well get it now. And I thought, you're right, because it'll be gone. So it's how it goes. So I thought that'd be a pretty cool car to build. I always see this every once in a while. It's got the 25th anniversary decal emblem or whatnot on the door. So that should be pretty cool. Another kit I picked up, this is a Ford kit. And I tried to talk him down the price, but he wouldn't budge. But that's okay. It's kind of a cool kit. It's brand new in the box. The box is open. It's not something I normally build, but I always kind of like the looks of these and all that good stuff. So this is a, I was trying to find a date on it. It's a 1979 Ford Escort rally car by Revell. Check that bad boy out. That is a cool model. I thought, so guy told me go ahead and open it up. Everything is still in plastic. Everything's in the bag. The decal sheet looks like brand new. So I thought, okay, it's worth that. So this looks like a really fun builder. Doesn't look to be too bad of a builder. So yeah, I think that'd be kind of a cool kit. And yeah, so I'm not sure which Revell it's from. If it's Revell from Germany, usually it says on there, I think. But either way, cool kit. I like it. Skill 4. So put your hats on and see if we can put this together. But yeah, that looks like a pretty nice builder. I'm kind of looking forward to that one. I think that'd be pretty cool. So that's all I picked up today. On our way back, we've seen some cool planes flying over. Like I said, the airport is right next door. So I'll show you some quick clips on the road here before we left. I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, check this out. Yeah, so as we're driving, I thought, oh man, I mean, it's just plane after plane after plane. And as we're coming up, when we got to the show, I seen a plane coming in. I thought, oh my gosh, that'd be such a cool picture, you know, because they're just right over the road. The airport runway is just right on the other side. So I thought this was pretty cool. So I thought, man, I'll show you guys a little quick video of it. I didn't zoom in all the way because it was obviously going down the road in the car. I didn't want to be too shaky with the camera. So there you have it. All right, guys. So that's what I have. That's what we got at the show today. So once again, Mike, I appreciate you putting the show on. Thank you for that. And I hope to see you next year at it. Mike is putting a railroad show on coming up. I think it was in October, I think. I could be wrong, Mike. I'm sorry if I am. It's sometime this fall, this coming fall, at the same place. Same time, same station type thing. So we'll have some flyers on that when that gets closer for that, for all you railroad fanatics out there. So once again, I appreciate everybody tuning in, checking out the channel, and hey, we'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.